We live on a tiny blue dot, lost in the endless ocean of the cosmos. Here, every story was born, every destiny, every piece of meaning we have ever created. It all began right here. But what awaits us beyond this fragile world? Today we set out on an epic journey. We'll travel away from Earth, step by step, until we reach the very edge of the universe, a place defined by the speed of light. For us humans, there truly is an edge to the universe. When we look up at the night sky, we are looking into the past, until there is no more past left to see, because light can no longer reach us, as the universe expands faster than light itself. The real universe is undoubtedly far larger than what our eyes can ever perceive, and by the end of this video, you will discover what might exist beyond that ultimate frontier, beyond the known universe itself. Our first stop, the Moon. Only 384,000 kilometers away, light reaches it in just over 1 second. If you tried to drive there at a steady 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you more than 160 days. From the Moon, Earth looks like a fragile sphere of blue and green, floating in a silent black void. From the Moon, Earth appears alive, a planet with shifting clouds, swirling storms, and restless oceans. The first astronauts watched as hurricanes formed and faded, as clouds drifted across entire continents. For the first time in human history, we saw our home from the outside, tiny, fragile, and defenseless against the vastness of space. The Sun and Mars. Moving farther, we reach the Sun, our star, the heart of the solar system. It lies 1 astronomical unit away, about 150 million kilometers. Light takes around 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to Earth. If you tried to reach it by plane, flying at 900 kilometers per hour, the trip would take 19 years. Even within our own stellar neighborhood, space is unimaginably vast, and the way our solar system moves is nothing short of astonishing. Now, let's look at Mars. At its closest approach, the red planet is 54.6 million kilometers from us. Distances like these make exploring Mars a true engineering miracle. For a long time, scientists believed Mars was a dead world. But in 2015, NASA's orbiter discovered convincing signs of flowing water, dark streaks running down crater slopes, changing with the seasons. Later, researchers found frozen deposits hidden beneath thin layers of dust, and even possible saltwater lakes beneath the Martian ice. Water means potential life, and that makes Mars humanity's first serious candidate for future colonization. The first human mission to Mars is planned for the 2030s, led by SpaceX. We move farther still. At the very edge of our solar system lies Neptune, a distant, icy giant, 4.5 billion kilometers away. Sunlight takes 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach this frozen world. Only 1 human-made spacecraft has ever made it there, Voyager 2, in 1989. These distances are staggering, and yet this is only our solar system. Now, we're about to go beyond. The edge of the universe and the eternal return. The closest star system to us is Alpha Centauri, just over 4 light-years away. At Voyager's current speed, it would take around 70,000 years to get there. That's how vast the cosmos truly is, even between our nearest neighbors. Here is the map of the Milky Way, a giant spiral galaxy 100,000 light-years across, containing hundreds of billions of stars. And even here, our civilization is nothing more than a faint whisper, a signal almost no one can hear or see. Our radio waves have reached barely 100 light-years into space. If an alien civilization looked at us from there, they would see humanity just beginning to move from hunting and gathering to herding and farming. And if they were even farther away, beyond the Milky Way itself, they would be watching living dinosaurs roam the Earth. All of this happens because of the speed of light. Every time we look up, we're looking into the past. And on a cosmic scale, light isn't really that fast at all. If we group our galactic neighbors together, we form what's called the local group, a cluster stretching across 10 million light-years. Beyond that lies the Virgo supercluster, and farther still, our home on the grandest known scale, Laniakea, a colossal structure, 500 million light-years wide, containing millions of galaxies. To grasp the scale, the number of stars in the observable universe is estimated to be about 26,000 times greater than all the grains of sand on planet Earth. And now, in a single instant, we travel across that immense distance and reach the very edge of the observable universe, a sphere about 90 billion light-years wide. Beyond that edge lies the cosmos, expanding away from us faster than light itself. What's beyond it? Perhaps a void, perhaps a barrier, or perhaps something we will never, ever see. Maybe there are parallel universes where the laws of physics are entirely different, where light outruns time, matter gives birth not to life, but to chaos, and the very fabric of space is interwoven with consciousness. When scales grow this vast, our familiar concepts lose all meaning. And here, a breathtaking thought is born. If the universe is truly infinite, if space stretches without end, then it's not impossible that somewhere out there exist parallel worlds, strikingly similar to our own, where events unfold just a little differently, with subtle variations, repeating endlessly in infinite combinations. The philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche, in his idea of the eternal return, imagined that everything in existence might repeat itself forever in new cycles, every life, every joy, every sorrow. And if the universe is indeed infinite, then this might not be just philosophy, it could be reality. That means every thought, every action, every moment is destined to return again and again in the eternal rhythm of the cosmos. And from this idea comes a simple truth. We must live our lives so that in every repeating version of it, we would want to live it again. Live this life with no regrets, even in the infinity of the universe. Our planet is only a tiny spark in the vast darkness. Yet within that realization lies the true greatness of our existence. Before us stands the challenge to live a life worth repeating an infinite number of times. I return with this sun, this earth, this eagle, and this serpent. not into a new or better or similar life, but into the same one forever. I return to this life again and again to teach the eternal recurrence of all things, to speak once more of the great noon of earth and humanity, and to proclaim again the coming of the overhuman. I have spoken my word, and I perish for it. Such is my eternal fate. I die as a messenger.